I'm Louisa Conwill, and I'll be presenting my work with Sam Anthony and Walter Scheirer on the perception of filtered faces. Computer vision technologies, including the more traditional photo editing software and newer augmented reality filters, allow us to modify how our faces look online. Selfie editing has become associated with lower self-esteem and body dysmorphia. However, some people experience more positive effects from selfie editing, including overcoming shyness and freer self-expression. Research in psychology shows that exposure to systematically distorted faces can change our perception of what an average face should look like. Are filtered faces now included in what we think is a normal-looking face? Knowing if filtered faces are seen as normal can lay the groundwork for further discussion and research on the social impacts of face filtering. Our key research question is, do filtered faces look normal or strange to people? Does this vary by which filter is used? Responses to this question could be influenced by familiarity with that style of image filter and ability to tell that a filter has been applied. Thus, we additionally consider the following two questions. Which styles of facial filters look familiar to people? And can people tell that filtered images are digitally altered in the first place? We created a dataset of filtered images and their original unfiltered counterparts. We filtered 485 images of faces with both traditional filters and augmented reality filters. Due to some overlap in filter styles, we focused on augmented reality filters that are more distinct from traditional filters. We explored our three research questions through surveys with 2 alternative forced choice and Likert scale question phrasings. Each of these 6 surveys was taken by a different subset of participants, and each survey showed participants 100 randomly selected images from the dataset. Enough participants were recruited such that each image was seen by at least 5 different people. The original and traditionally filtered images were more frequently rated as familiar, not strange, and not digitally altered. The augmented reality filtered images were for the most part responded to oppositely, and often had an almost exactly inverted distribution of responses from the other types of images. We offer a few possible explanations for this difference in our paper. One explanation that I want to highlight here is a difference in the purpose of the filter. Many of the traditional filters we used performed realistic enhancements. On the other hand, the augmented reality filters we used made more unrealistic changes that could help foster the imagination. This difference could mean augmented reality filters are safer to use. The filters that confound our facial perception to edit reality and present it as real could lead to social issues like increased body dysmorphia. Thus, we recommend augmented reality designers focus more on creating filters that promote creativity and imagination. Thank you.